What's up, guys? Abomination36 back here, and this is going to be a beatbox tutorial video. And Jesse, of course, if you're subscribed to him, like you should be. If you're not, then you're not my friend anymore. I'm just kidding. But go subscribe to him if you're not. He made a video, and it was how to do frog bass, and he should delete it. Let's just say, once I heard that sound on that video, I instantly cringed. It wasn't a good sound. And so now I'm going to teach you guys a good one. And this sound, I don't know what the sound originally is called. But I don't know if that's bass or if like the sound is bass. I don't know. But I'm adding them together. And so if you add them together, you're going to make a sound like this. And I know you guys heard me do that. And you heard me laugh about what my lips look like on camera. I mean, watch. Yeah, it's pretty funny. But it's pretty easy. It's self-explanatory. Just and you're going like you're coughing. You go you go. And I think it really sounds good with scratch, like DJ scratch, you know. That instantly turned bad. But like a something like that. And Jesse also made this video, the water beatbox, and he did it at school, but he messed up. And so then he made the video on it, and I watched the video, and Jesse, that was a good video. Go check it out. It's actually a pretty cool sounding beatbox thing. It was like water sounds, even though the sounds didn't really sound like water. If you're gonna do a water, go. That's a good water sound. But other than that, with that said, subscribe and join the Hamananda tribe. Abomination36 out.